Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to effectively manage templates in BoldSign. Please take note that this video solely focuses on template management. If you're interested in creating a template, please check the video available on our BoldSign YouTube page. Templates are pre-designed layouts that speed up the creation of new documents. They offer standardized structures and formats. So, you don't have to create new layouts for every document you need to sign. In BoldSign, once you've created and saved templates for your documents, you can edit and control them according to your needs. This might include editing or updating existing templates, deleting templates that are no longer needed, cloning templates, or setting permissions for those who can access and use specific templates. Let me guide you through the process. Upon logging into my BoldSign account, I navigate to the template selection and find 4 distinct options: All Templates, My Templates, Shared Templates, and Drafts. In the All Templates section, there is a comprehensive list of templates, including those shared within my teams and those I've personally created. Moving to the My Templates section, I see a catalog of templates exclusively created by me. Next, in the Shared Templates section, I access templates shared within my teams. Similarly, the Draft section showcases incomplete templates that await finalization. Let's delve deeper into the All Templates section first. Clicking on it displays a detailed list of templates, featuring titles, creators' names, assigned roles, and modification dates. To utilize an existing template, I hover over my selection and click the Use icon. Alternatively, I can access various options from the context menu, including editing, bulk sending, copying template IDs, cloning, sharing, downloading, or deleting templates. For simultaneous use of multiple templates, I select all necessary templates and click the Merge and Use button, consolidating them for immediate use. Clearing selections is as simple as clicking the Clear Selection button. To create a new template while on the All Templates page, I click the New Template button, which redirects me to the template creation page. To quickly locate a specific template, I utilize the search bar, typing in either the title or the copied template ID to filter the results. The options discussed for the All Templates section are almost the same as in the My Templates section. Moving on to the Shared Templates section, I access templates shared within my teams. I can only use the template if the templates were shared with the editing restriction. Lastly, in the Draft section, I retain access to edit and delete options for incomplete templates. That's all about managing templates in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.